BMW R1300R.
Yeah, I'm so surprised, because I also was very surprised when I picked up the bike at BMW, because I was searching for the clutch lever. Where is it? The bike is not complete. But then I realized, okay, it's the automatic transmission of BMW. It's called ASA. It's like automated quick shifter. And the first what I thought was, oh no, without the clutch I cannot do very good launches. But now I'm so surprised, because my very best attempts from 0 to 100 have been 2.8 seconds. That's amazing. And I can tell you, just try it. The automated quick shifter is working so well. And to be honest, if you have a quick shifter, you don't often use the clutch, I guess. And it's working really, really well. If you want, you can also switch to the manual mode, and then you can shift up and down when you want. But also in the automatic mode drive, you can shift up and down when you want. So up, up, if you want, down, 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 down. Yeah, very nice. 100 to 200 for a boxer engine. And the manual shifting mode was just slightly faster than the automatic shifting mode. Yeah, of course, the brakes from BMW do their job very well, but I guess with a manual clutch, the braking distance would have been a little bit less, so it feels a little bit strange compared to a manual actuated clutch. German Autobahn. Yeah, very good top speed for a boxer engine, and the naked bike was only 3 kilometers per hour slower than at the RS model with fairing. Very nice. Yeah, amazing roll-on, of course, due to this big boxer engine and the shift cam. And in manual shifting mode it's not a problem. So have fun and ride safe.